Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix frozen screen problem in your Realme smartphone. If you are facing, like, if your screen stuck on the middle of your, if you are playing games or doing heavy tasks on your device, how you can fix it. So if your screen is sometimes working and sometimes not, you have to just go to the settings. So first of all, you have to open your files by Google, and then you have to release some of the storage like images, downloads, videos, audios, document. So just clear some of the space, and then if you have any software update or application update, just update your software, and then you have to go to Play Store, update all the apps, and uninstall the not useful applications and games that are heavy task. Just delete them, and you have to restart your device. Then it will be working. If not working, there is a screen display problem, or you have to go to your nearby service center to check it if there is any internal problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.